Hey y'all, what's up? Yeah, so anyway, I had some knotless braids in that I did on myself. They were up for about 3 weeks and I got tired of them, so I was like, why not use some leftover hair and create me some type of butterfly faux locks? Something that wouldn't take as long and wouldn't be, so many or so heavy on my head. So I just started with some Freetress water wave hair. I had the colors 1B and 30 to try to mimic the colors that I already had in my head. And as you can see, yes, baby, the one side of my edges is completely gone. How it happened, I really don't know, to tell the truth. But I guess over time of me wearing tight ponytails and pulling them up into high styles or whatever, I guess it put a lot of tension on it and it's been very hard to grow back. But I am working on a oil to try to get some type of growth back in there somewhere. But I mean, just stay tuned. But right now, let's get back to the video. So here you can see that I took, I think, 2 strands of hair. I took my crochet needle and crocheted the water wave hair through the knotless braid, and I began to wrap. And I know you can't really see it, but I use my thumb here and there to create that butterfly effect. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, when you first do these, you will you will have to see which hand that you want to use as your dominant hand, because it's gonna feel so weird wrapping with the opposite hand. And I can't tell you which hand you're gonna feel comfortable with, because I really had to just work with both hands myself to see which hand gave me the look that I was going for. But let me tell y'all one thing. My big ass was tired. I mean, trying to lift my arms up and stuff. Like, this is why I don't do my own hair, y'all. I was tired. But anyway, once you start seeing a little progress, I mean, it motivates you a little bit, baby. You start doing a little bit better. You doing a little bit more. It took me about 55 breaks, about 20 snacks, I mean, so I'm kind of feeling myself at this point. I'm like, okay, I got this. And at this point right here, baby, I was like, I don't really know if I do got this. Because when you get to the middle and toward the back of your head, if you like me and you lazy and you do not like to keep your arms alone, baby, it started getting rough. Real rough, baby. Y'all see how I was chewing on that gum? If I was a smoker, I'd probably been to smoke 25 cigarettes by now. Look at me trying to turn the light on to see. Like, do I like the light? No. I'm going to just keep it the same way. But anyway, yeah. What y'all been thinking about this Nicki Minaj and Meg Thee Stallion beef? Like, I mean, like, come on now. Comment down below and tell me what's your thoughts on it. Because I'm just like, I just can't. And then Krishan, y'all, oh my God. Like, what is, like, do anybody check on this girl's mental health? Like, for real, for real. Like, and I'm, like, so serious. Like, something is really wrong there. But as y'all can see, I'm still working, baby. I'm trying my best to turn these soft locks into some butterfly locks, because I just did not feel like taking my hair down, washing it, and putting up a whole new style. So if you're lazy like me, like, this could work out real good for you. And this was just some extra hair that I had laying around, so it really worked out good for me. I didn't have to go to the hair store. I didn't even have to get out the house. Like, I mean, it worked out real good. So yeah, once you crochet the hair in at the root, you're going to kind of want to pull it to and from to kind of get the desired look you want. And before I even start doing the butterfly effect, I make sure I try to wrap down at least 4 to 5 times as tightly as possible. but not too tight because you don't want to put too much tension on your scalp. Because I'm not gonna lie, butterfly locks, soft locks, faux locks, all those things, they will have like a big deal of tension on your scalp if you tend to wrap like too tightly. And I have did that before, and like I gave myself a headache for like 3 or 4 days straight. So I know a little bit better this time. I know not to do that this time. But yeah, you see me, I'm chewing on this gum, baby. I'm chewing, just imagining it that it's a damn cheeseburger. Cause like I'm so bored, like doing my hair right now, baby. It got me hungry. It got me wanting to snack. It got me angry. I'm going through a whole bunch of emotions right now. And then if you don't work with water wave hair, you know, like sometimes it can be a handful. And like I said, once you get to the like the mid back of your hair, that's when it becomes a bit of a problem for me, especially trying to wrap it, because it's like you get in your own way, in your own mind. You be like, oh my God, I'm just ready for this to be over. But as you can see, I done did more than half of my hair, so at this point, I ain't got no choice but to see it through, baby. I gotta see it through at this point, because like, what else I'm gonna do? But yeah, once you get to your desired look, you're going to take your nail glue. And I do get my nail glue. I buy about a bulk from Amazon. It comes in like a package with 12 to 15 bottles in it for, it's under $10. And it does last for a while. I can say that too. Yeah, I'm chewing the hell out that gum. I feel so ashamed. And I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but I used the Freacher's brand water wave hair. I think it was 20 inches in the colors 1B and the colors 30, I believe. Yeah, a 1B and a 30. Because those were the original colors that I had with my knotless braids. Yeah, never mind my fiance's hand. He is so annoying when I'm trying to do something. I'm trying my baddest, my hardest to get that motivation back, because like I'm like, oh my God, I'm just so ready to be done. And it didn't even, since I already had the base braids done, it didn't take as long as I thought it would. I think it took me like 2.5 hours, maybe 3, because I kept stopping, which is a lot better than when I first did some faux locks on my own hair the first time. I started at like 10 at night the first time I ever did my locks, and I didn't get done until like 4 in the morning. So yeah, the more you do it, like they do say, practice makes perfect. I do believe that, because I cut down on my install time a whole lot. Also, I am a braider, so me doing other people's hair, and just learning tips and tricks along the way also helps with doing your hair. But I don't care what they say. Can't nothing prepare you for putting them arms up, baby. Like doing your own hair and them arms going up, ain't nothing prepared me for that. I mean, nothing. As y'all can see, I'm going in with my hair oil. Because, baby, your scalp can get dry now. Keep that hair oil moisturized any way that you can. And you see me, y'all, I'm kind of feeling myself a little bit now. That was my baby girl. Okay, period. I mean, what can I say? I did a good job, baby. Look, I mean, come on. Like, did I not do a good job, baby? I think I did a good job. Like and subscribe for more tips.